Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed.
So, welcome to Saint Moritz. We came in and it was a super rainy day. You can see some of the footage from the last video I put up, but it was bucketing down. And the first day, because it was bucketing and we couldn't really do anything, we just decided to go for a city tour. So here are all the things that we went and saw. It was really beautiful and really serene, and it was a really nice change having just come from Zurich. That was very busy and obviously very city-like.
That's pretty cool.
And then because we'd spent the most of the previous day seeing the city, we decided to spend this day, which was our only full day in Saint Moritz, going up the gondola. I guess you'd call it gondola. It was a mixture of gondola and ski lifts. And we wanted to go up to Piz Nair, which was the highest point, I think it's the highest point in Switzerland. So we're currently walking to Saint. Oh my gosh, I've been saying it this whole time. Cantarella, I think. And we just found this cute little stream. On this side as well. Comes like the whole way down. And it's so beautiful and misty. Oh, this is my kind of weather.
I didn't realise that there were so many other towns along this place, not the Saint Moritz.
Yeah.
I wonder if that's just gravity fed from the river.
Do you think so? Probably.
Then the overflow goes out.
And the horsies. So what we had to do is you get up and there's quite a bit of a walk between the different cable cars. This is a ski resort as well, so a lot of people go skiing normally when there's snow. But we just made our way up slowly, stopping off at each different section to actually have a proper look around before we moved on to the next part. And it was really nice change in weather. I keep mentioning the weather, but Zurich was so hot, it's like 35 degrees. So being able to come in and go for a hike outside and not be sweltering was really, really nice. And the views were absolutely stunning.
Whew! Saint Moritz. Top of the world, well, above Saint Moritz. Oh, bit of cloud. Man, the hair definitely gets a little bit thin. You come up at a bit of pace and you just flipping out of breath a bit quicker than normal. Pretty cool though. Not a bad view. In case you didn't come up.
So these rock formations.
Look at these rocks.
Look at these rocks! Maybe I finally need to find that audio and use it. These are the bells that the cows have. So nice. And the mist is kind of cleared up. Man, I haven't been on one of these in such a long time. No idea where we are. I'll put it up on the screen because I know where it is on the map. Just don't know what it's called. Mum called it Cinderella once and now that's what's stuck in my head. It's very annoying. But it's so nice. And the blue skies come out. Cantarella.
Cantarella. I think she was calling this Cantarella, but I don't think this was any of them.
Then you could see this, like, we're gonna do the real slow zoom. Hello, hello. Very nice. Here we go, actually focusing on me for once. So we're in Saint Moritz, and when we were on the bus, Luke noticed this like field thing, which I just took a couple of videos of, but it's like a running track field. It's quite big, and it's got like this beautiful surrounding view. But in the middle of the field, not in the middle, on the side of the field, he noticed there was like a squat rack, and he's like, why the heck is there a squat rack here? And we found that it's this thing called Fitbox, which seems to be around Switzerland or Europe. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if you can see it. I can insert a photo of the whole thing. But they've got like a whole bunch of equipment. So you've got two different doors. One of the doors has like a weightlifting section, which is Olympic barbells, bumper plates, hex dumbbells and kettlebells. And then the second door seems more like a HIIT style thing where it's battle ropes, medicine balls, TRX, jumping ropes, resistance bands, agility ladder, and a foam roller, which is so cool. So we've booked a time slot. They've got a current free trial running until the 8th of the 8th. It must be a summer thing.
It's not bad. Yeah.
No, it's the 6th today. And yeah, so I'll take a few videos of it, and we're gonna take some like proper scenic photos and stuff of Luke's barbell and beyond stuff. Maybe do like a couple of reels or something. And then yeah, it's super exciting. This is so much more advanced. Not advanced, but like well equipped than we thought it was gonna be. So I wish I was feeling a bit better. I got a bit of altitude sickness coming down from the top of the mountain. But yeah, it's very, very cool. Okay, so the lighting's a bit funky, but we've just been able to open the door, and it's got kettlebells, dumbbells, a whole bunch of like actual bumper plates down there, a bench, like proper what are they called, barbells. Yeah, and we've got this for like an hour and a half or something, which is so legit. Oh, and there's like paper towels to wipe things down, and dang man, this is so cool. Yeah, anyway, if you're in Saint Moritz, or if you find one of these, we definitely recommend doing it. Church bells while we're working out. Oh, only in Europe. Luke's just maxed out the deadlift as much as he can.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors, and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light.